As a woman over 50, I often look in the mirror and I don't always see the me I think I'm going to see looking back at me. One of the things I do to help combat that confidence dip is a regular skincare routine. If you ever look in the mirror and you feel like me and you just don't feel your best, you don't feel as confident as you would like to, I promise you, starting a skincare routine or revamping your skincare routine can make you feel so good. It makes me feel so good. And so I'm sharing that with you, and I hope it makes you feel good too. Stick around. I'd love to have you join me. Today, you'll learn how to build a multi-step K-beauty routine. I am so excited to share some products from a website, Stylevana, that they have sent to me. And if I don't have a product in a certain step, I'll share something that I've used that may not be from them. It doesn't have to be a K-beauty product to have a K-beauty routine. The beauty in going to a site like Stylevana is you can see that the products there are K-beauty. So the first part of any K-beauty regimen is double cleansing. Once you have cleansed your face with a cleanser, which is where I am with you this morning, the next step is going to be your water-based cleanser. So for this, we're going to be using the Lacto Collagen Deer. I'm going to read from the website to tell you a little bit more about this product. It says, 3 types of fermented lactobacillus and collagen cleansing foam gives a virtually poreless face. Okay, so now that my face is double cleansed, I have dry skin. I know that's what they do on TV and movies. When they want someone to look old, they kind of make them look very dry. So knowing that and knowing how it affects me, I like using these products that are very hydrating. After your double cleanse, you come in with essence and toner. Products like essences and toners are designed to hydrate the skin deeply. They sent me the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice and Hyaluronic Toner. It's supposed to help kind of plump the skin and hold in moisture. I'm going to put it on a cotton round. This will show us also how well the cleansers worked. So, yep, I'm clean. It has no smell at all, and it goes on and kind of has a silky texture. The next thing I'm going to use, like I said, they didn't send an essence. One of the things I have used for 20 years is this L'Occitane Immortelle Essential Water. It's alcohol-free. It says this is a toner. Maybe I'm not using an essence. And I guess since it said essential water, I thought it was an essence. But anyway, all right, so now I may be going over the toner with another toner. The next thing is an ampule or a serum. This is the serum that we're trying today. It is the Beta Glucan Power Moisture Serum. It's perfect for those looking to add an extra layer of moisture into the skin, and it adds to skin elasticity. I like that these products don't have an odd scent to them, just very natural, very nice. The next thing that is a huge part of K-beauty are sheet masks. Single-use masks are soaked in serums and designed to provide a concentrated dose of hydration and active ingredients. Sheet masking is also seen as a self-care Korean ritual. Now, I didn't get something from the website, but I'm going to show you the products I'm going to use today. So this is the Biocellulose Sheet Face Mask from City Beauty. And what this is supposed to do is to plump and smooth the skin. Reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles using hyaluronic acid and peptides. This is the next step in the K-beauty process. It's really thick. Okay, let's put this on. And then what's left, I'm just going to rub down my neck. And I will see you in about 20 minutes. I love the way the City Beauty mask felt. So you don't rinse it off, you leave it on. And now we're moving on to the next step, which is an eye cream. I am trying today the Hyal Vita A Bakuchiol Firming Eye Cream from Stylevana. Let's see, it says that this has water and glycerin. It has sunflower seed oil, hydrolyzed collagen. It seems to have a lot of wonderful ingredients in it. So that is the eye cream I'm using in this step. You can use your ring finger, which they say is the finger with the least pressure. So the moisturizer I'm using today is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Gel Cream. Perfect for hydrating the skin without feeling heavy. So this is a great daytime moisturizer. It does not have a smell. So that's where we are so far with all the different steps. Okay, so the next thing we are going to come in with is a sunscreen. It is a crucial step of the Korean skincare. It protects you from harmful UV rays, and it does prevent premature aging. And it can really help with the dark spots and all of the things that age your skin. It is applied as your last step in your skin care regimen. The product we're using today is the Cica Regen Vegan Sun SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus. It's supposed to be 1/4 teaspoon. It almost smells like eucalyptus. My skin feels so plump and cushy right now. The next step I would come in with is the Laneige water sleeping mask, and this is what it looks like. It smells so refreshing, and I would go to bed just like that.